situation. Nag-aaway yan sa dalawang yan.
So, tinanong ko si ChatGPT, sabi niya sa akin,
Chopper, are you ready to moving to your new place?
I work today, that's why I need my coffee.
And it's actually a lot of stuff.
Ng mga gamit ko, and alis na dyan, baby!
Grabe, hindi siya
Walang sasakay.
Wow. Yeah?
Guys, to be honest, nagkakaroon ako nung pre-moving out anxiety. And alam mo yung parang ilang days ko na talaga pinlan na mag-move out and mag-pack, pero ngayon ko pa lang siya gagawin, and I'm actually glad na I'm actually doing something already, na hindi ko na siya pinabukas pa, kasi usually yun nangyari sa akin pag na-anxious ako, pinapabukas ko siya ng pinapabukas. So ngayon, I'm starting small steps. And ang problema ko is sobrang dami kong gamit and kailangan ko mag-move out. I think Sunday. Actually, dapat Saturday. Pero dahil nga sobrang na-anxiety ako, parang sabi ko sa landlord ko, mag-move out ako Sunday na lang. If pwede ba? Kasi before sabi ko sa kanya Saturday, and it's Wednesday now. Hopefully na lang talaga ay pumayag yung landlord ko. Kasi plano niya nang pumunta dito ng Saturday kasi may mga kailangang asikasuhin sa admin. And spontaneously, napansin ko talaga na ang dami kong gamit. Kaya ako parang na-anxiety kasi ang dami kong gamit. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula. Like a few minutes ago, nag-order ako neto sa TikTok shop. Oops, sorry. Ito siya. It's a bag na pang move out. Oh my gosh, Gohan. And itong bag na pang move out na to, malaki siya. Nakita ko yung isang review. And hindi man siya ganun ka-durable, but it will hold a lot of my stuff. Guys, naiinis na ako kay Chopper. Alis na dyan, baby. Please. Ay, nakakainis kasi galing na akong duty. Like, 8 hours ako duty sa hospital. Magpapak pa ako. Parang ayoko na. Pwede ba magic na lang to? Anyway, we're going to pack my makeup, skincare, and other stuff. Basically, this messy table thing is so messy, I know. We are going to fix it and put this in these boxes. Almost done in this section. So, tinanong ko si ChatGPT, sabi niya sa akin, if may mga gamit ba ako na kailangan gamitin for the next few days, yun yung last kong ipapack. So, that includes some of my skincare. Sa totoo lang, guys, hindi ko alam if this is okay. I feel like it's fine. And, ayan, makeups ko and all are already packed. Ayan, 3 boxes. Okay, guys, it's already 7 and this is my look for today. And this is also my scrubs. So, as you can see, sinusuot ko na yung light blue scrubs na binili natin sa Bambang. And now, I have to go get ready for the hospital. And I feel like ang dami kong pasyente today. That's so scary. Okay guys, this is my overall look for today. Bawal yung necklace and earrings doon sa hospital. Actually, napagsabihan ako kahapon na I have to remove it. And it's okay. Because I didn't know. Kasi hindi kami nakapag-orientation nung Sunday. Hindi kami nasabihan. So, we skipped some of the formalities. And kahapon, at least we were able to get oriented at least kahapon, and it was like to work kahapon, and I feel like this is going to be heavy work today. That's why I need my coffee. Wow, 24.
Ano din eh.
Wala ka pa doon?
Ito yung atang sa akin eh.
Hi guys! Sobrang haggard ko na. Kagaling ko lang ng duty. And then, nakuha ko na yung mga boxes from 7-Eleven ulit. And super grateful ako na binigyan ulit nila ako ng boxes. And super helpful to sa pag-move ko. Kasi ang dami kong gamit. So, mag-impake ulit ako. And then, I'm gonna eat dinner after. Gusto ko na kumain. So I'm trying to clear this space, and it's actually a lot of stuff. It took up a lot of boxes just for this specific space. Gutom na ako guys, wala na kayo maisip kundi pagkain. So mag-order tayo and then clean up a bit and then pack again, I think. Guys, I got takeout pero kung tatanungin niyo ako bakit sa 360 yung paper bag kasi na tapon yung sauce ng chicken ko. And I think first time ko dito sa kanila mag-order. This is tough din. Ano ba, chopper? Go down, baby. This is called chicken nam nam. Boneless chicken. So instead of 24 chicken, sabi ko, try ko naman kaya iba. And this is what the chicken looks like. So I ordered 2 flavors. Para tomorrow, meron na din akong baon sa hospital. Anyway, pakita ko sa yung binili ko sa TikTok shop. Bumili ako ng mga sako bags. Kakarating na lang kanina. Kasi, alam mo, itong mga nakapack na dito, wala pa yung damit, ate. Alam mo kung magkano bili ko isa nito? 100.
Para malalaki na?
Oo. Ate, kasya ko dito.
Puta ka terno pa ng damit mo.
Oo, lalagyan. Pwede mo ito hiramin sa akin. Guys, I look so bad. I look so pale. Sobrang pagod ako from my hospital duty. But mag-iimpake ako. And I just got off the phone with my best friend. And I just updated her with my moving out thing going on. So, I'm actually super tired. Gusto ko na matulog, promise. Pero yung landlord ko, pupunta siya dito bukas ng 9 a.m. And I at least need to pack like half. So, I also need to make sure that it looks kind of good. Na the condo unit looks livable. Kahit maraming gamit. So, I'm going to be packing my clothes. And ito yung pinapakita ko sa best friend ko kanina. Ganito siya kalaki. And bumili ako ng 9 na ganito. Guys, I'm so happy kasi nagkasya lahat ng sapatos ko na dito. So, sobrang galing talaga neto, as in, like, I really like this. So, sana hindi lang siya bumigay. Oh my gosh, grabe na yung mata ko. Antok na ako and pagod na din ako. Pero nagpapak pa ako. Pero hindi ko alam kung may space pa ba yung landlord ko para tingnan talaga yung unit kasi tingnan nyo to guys. This is our situation. Nag-aaway yan, dalawang yan. Naawa ko sa mga pusa ko kasi wala sila masyado mapaglaruan ng lugar. So, sorry babies, tomorrow I swear, I mean on Sunday, everything is gonna be better. Guys, good morning. As you can see, I'm all up and sobrang gulo ko. And I'm cleaning the bedroom kasi I just want it cleaned up na para yung iba kong gamit lalagay ko na dito kasi itataas ko yung bed, isa-side view ko siya para may space dito and sa sofa na lang ako matutulog mamayang gabi. Guys, ito na yung itsura ng unit ko na nililinis ko yung bedroom ko. Grabe. Ay, talaga, Chopper. Nakikisabay ka pa talaga, ha? Gohan, pagsabihan mo yung kapatid mo. Chopper! Go, look. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Chopper, are you ready to moving to your new place? Yes? No?
Anyway, here's an update. Kakaalis lang ng landlord ko and he gave me the passes sa condo. And then, I definitely had to go to the admin office before 1 p.m. Kasi magsasarado daw lahat ng elevator until 5 p.m. Imagine! So, I have to do that. And then, I'll eat first and then clean again and then pack again. Savor.
2,000 kilos na lang. No, pwede na. Okay na naman sa ano. Isang mo sa kong ina.
Lala move?
Oo. Kung wala man. Yan. Sabihin mo, 2,000 kilos. Mga 1K na yan. May sobra ka pa mga 1,000.
Okay. I'm booking my... Oh my gosh, meron na. Ang bilis ah. Mag-impakin ako ulit. Kasi may driver na agad ako. Hi kuya, see you tomorrow! Hi guys, it's our last day and I'm still packing. So these are the last stuff na kailangan i-pack. And to be honest, wala na akong ibang lalagyan kundi boxes na lang. So ito, hindi siya kasya dun sa mga boxes na natira kasi mga maliliit lang. So I'm just placing them here sa garbage bag. If everything fails, the garbage bag ko na. Gohan, mamimiss mo tong lugar na to kasi walang ganyan, wala kang maakyatan na ganyan. So, mamimiss mo tong sobra kasi hindi ka makakalakad ng ganyan, baby. Guys, nakabihis na ako and all, but I'm still gonna do a bit of my makeup para naman fresh ako kahit konti habang nag-move out kasi these types of things stresses me out. And kahapon muntik na ako mag-mental breakdown, like, grabe. I just wanna, like, relax and chill. And if may... Kasi, ako yung tipo na gusto ko planado lahat. And if may mangyari na hindi planado, it fucks me up. So, I'm just gonna relax. Exhale. Kaya ko to.
Kung sino man po yung owner neto na pinapun ko sa basurahan, thank you so much!
Ang ganda kaya. Diba? Worth it naman siya.
She found this in the trash area.
Ah.
And then she got it to see. She can
Oy!
still use it.
It's my first time to do that though. Because it seems like it's still
She's
okay.
basurera. Let's go.
Ano ba, 1 year na to, ever since nabili ko, never ko to nagawa.
Gago, hindi. Hindi siya ano.
Patayo mo nga. Kasi dapat.
My friends came and the place is slowly getting naked. I don't know how to say it. Pero paunti-unti na siyang nagiging empty. So, let's go.
Walang sasakay.
Nakasarado yun, ma'am.
O hindi yung scripted ah.
Gago pang thumbnail yun, te.
Hindi yung pan-scripted ah. Chopper! Labas dyan. Chopper!
Ating salamin pa.
Oo nga pala. Chopper! Halika dito. We're gonna go na. Chopper! Ah! Chopper, come on. Yeah, finally. I'm sorry, baby. Takutin pa konti. Guys, whoa. We're done. It's empty. Bye! I'm leaving. Last batch.
Tapos,
Yes.
Tira mo. Kasi dito kay Chopper.
Ginanon mo siya.
Pareho sila. Bigat na ito.
Sugat ka hindi naman.
Okay lang.
Yay!
Okay, let's go.
Last batch na ate.
Ang laming-ning.
Dalawa sila ate.
Release ka na. Oy. Alam mo ganda.
Inaral mo?
Ay,
sa
sa
ano?
Pipi.
Pity books.
Goodbye, Victoria.
Done. Wow. Guys, we're settling na. Okay, baby. Rest muna. Rest muna. Chopper, Gohan! Say hi. Gohan! Uy. Taba. Gohan! Gohan, dito tayo. Sinute, hindi mo na kukunin. Nanganganak pa kasi nanganak. May anak kasi siya dun eh. Kailan lang? Not yet? Good. It's okay. It's our new home.
Parang sila yung mga ahas na.
What's in your bag?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, this is my bag. And, of course, for everyday use, I...
Yung iba kasi kapag sinasabi nilang shake ice, literal na parang alam mo yung halo-halo. Ito parang okay siya. Alam mo, di ba? Sarap siya. Gets ko. I get the hype. Hey guys, we just got home so we went to the mall para kumain and mag-relax for a minute. But like, going home, like yung room ko, grabe, puno talaga siya ng mga gamit ko. And I really plan to put everything here para dito sa living room ko, dito ako matutulog kasi malapit din ako sa aircon. So yeah, that's my plan. And my cats are still scared, but I'm gonna end the vlog here kasi magpe-prep pa ako for tomorrow kasi may internship duty pa ako for tomorrow. And I also have to like make patient chart, may patient IE pa akong kailangan tapusin, na kailangan ko ipasa bukas, which is handwritten. So, also have a lot to do pa and have to fix the place. So, thank you guys for watching. Love you. Mwah!